Seriously, I don't know what else to tell y'all anymore. I'm trying to make these videos entertaining, you know? Like, I am pretty much the only person in the entire world to have this concept of adding sound effects into Zelda games. Like, name anyone else. Come on. You can't name anyone else.
Are you sure?
Where did he come from? Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's another WindWaker HD with sound effects. Trust me, it's perfect.
Are you sure?
Nolan, that's enough! Sheesh, get out of here. Alright, let's begin the video. Yeah. The Legend of Zelda, the WindWaker HD with sound effects. Yeah. Yeah, let's just say this. Ratchet Drama Queen over there really wants me to have a shield, so yeah, let's go get one. Oh, sheesh. I'm literally gonna drown. Yeah, so basically we gotta set sail, we gotta save our sister from a giant bird, we gotta go find the One Piece. Yeah, it's a lot of fun stuff, you know? So, yeah. First, let's go get a shield. Hey, Grandma, I need to borrow that shield from up here, so if you don't mind, I'm gonna take it. What? Wait, where did it go? The trap door? Grandma, where did that shield go? The one hanging on the wall? Fuego. Grandma, is this what you're looking for? Grandma, I didn't mean to. Take it with you. You got the hero shield. This is the legendary shield said to have been used by the hero himself. Wait, how did it get on my back? Okay, Grandma, let me explain. I guess it is true. Ariel really has been kidnapped, hasn't she? What kind of monster could take such a sweet young child? Grandma, you know what? No. Grandma, I promise you, I will bring back Ariel. I will save her. And I will find the One Piece. I love you, Grandma. Phew. Alright, we got a shield, so now our goal is to go find our sister, rescue her, and retrieve the One Piece. Hey, Queen. Wow, that's a decrepit old shield. Are you sure you can still use that thing? Are you going to get splinters and cry? Well, whatever. If you're ready, then let's go. Are you ready? Yes, Queen! Set sail! To save Ariel and find the One Piece! Set sail! That was a voice crack. Good luck, Fuego! Good luck finding Ariel! Take care of yourself! Yeah, you too. Oh my... What? Wait. What? Grandma? Grandma! I love you! I'll save Ariel! And I'll go find the One Piece! Ugh, how much longer is this going to go on, do you think? Do you have an estimate? What? Are you sure you shouldn't just quit right now? Seriously, think about it. I can tell you're just gonna get more sentimental from here on out. There's still time, you know. Are you sure we shouldn't just turn around and take you back to your island? No. I promised Grandma I'd find my sister and retrieve the One Piece. Fuego! Listen, kid. You can't just stand around on deck. You'll get in everyone's way. I told Nico to look after you, so you better report below decks and ask him what you should be doing. But I don't want to. Nico sounds like a pedophile. Just deal with it and get down there. Okay, fine.
A few moments later.
Blah, blah, blah. My name is Nico, and you should do this obstacle course while we wait. Blah, blah, blah. It should probably take you at least 1 year before you're good enough to make it all the way here. What? You did it already? I'm proud to have you as my underling. I wonder if it's okay to just give that to him. I don't see why not. I doubt I'll get busted. Alright, Swabby, I'll tell you what. You can have the treasure in that chest over there. It's your reward from the great and generous Nico. Hurry and take it before someone comes. Sheesh. Thanks, Nico. What's inside? Whoa, spoils bag. Hold up to 8 kinds of items. Hey, Fuego! We've reached the Forsaken Fortress. Hurry and get up here. Sheesh, just give me a little bit. You're so rough on the edges.
A few moments later.
Oh. Hey, Fuego. Here I am, up here. Okay, I'm coming. Sheesh. Oh, the moon looks pretty. What were you doing with Nico? Don't tell me you were playing some stupid game for treasure, were you? Well, whatever. There's something you need to see. Have a look over there. That's the cursed island known as the Forsaken Fortress. Whoa. There are all sorts of strange rumors about this place. What I do know is that long ago, it used to be a hideout of no good group of pirates we used to compete with. But they were just small time. Now the place looks like it's pretty dangerous. Ah, I knew it. Look, over there, by that window. Have you ever seen so many seagulls flock like that before? I'll bet you anything that's the place where they got your sister locked up. But it looks like the whole place is under really tight guard. This won't work. We'd be spotted before we got anywhere near landing there. What do we do now? What's that look for? Wait. Hold on. Ah! Look, don't struggle. If you really want to get into the dangerous place like that, this is the only way to do it. Trust me. We pirates do this all the time. Don't worry about it. It'll be a piece of cake. Is everybody ready? Never you fear, kid. We're pros. We're going to launch you good. 3, 2, 1. Well, I hope he lands perfect. Oh! Ouch. And I lost my sword. Ladies and gentlemen, subscribe for part 3. Part 4, I don't know anymore.